It is getting chilly here. In winter, it is time for deeper moisturization to ward off dryness, and body butters are perfect for that. Sucragel doesn't only gel oils, it can also gel butters. Because Sucragel contains glycerin, it is a good moisturizing emulsifier for this lotion. So we have the best of both worlds when it comes to emolliency and hydration. This time you will need to heat the oil and Sucragel phase to help with the blending. In this formula we have sunflower oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, our Sucragel, neroli hydrolate to add a nice light fragrance, xanthan gum, our preservative, vitamin E, the essential oil of your choice, and glycerin. Once you have measured your oil and Sucragel phase separately, heat both beakers up gently in a pan or pot with some water in it. Once all the oils have melted, add a small portion to the Sucragel and blend it thoroughly. It will start looking bubbly and you want it to be fully white until you can add some more. At some point I switched to an electric whisk to spare my arms. This makes the whole gelling process so much easier. It is important that you go very slow in this one, since the separation hack I've shown you previously will not work if you pour too fast. Progressively add more and more oil as the gel forms. You should have a texture looking like this in the end. And now let's take care of our water phase. Measure and mix the xanthan gum and glycerin, then add water to that. Slowly merge your water phase and oily phase together and then add the rest of your ingredients. Enjoy making abstract art in the process. I forgot to film the part where I adjusted the pH, but make sure you do that because mine looked like a 6 when I measured it. Let me know in the comments down below if you made this one. I would love to hear your thoughts. Last but not least, I will show you how I make this simple leave-in conditioner.